Hello guys, welcome back to One for Legend. Today we're back with another brand new drone video, and today we found my drone after a really long time. I haven't flown my drone in a long time. It's September now. We're in this nice open area. We can do a flight, start recording, and we're gonna take off. See the drone in the
Take
shadow.
off. Home point updated.
So yeah, let's go in the sky. Really nice. Let's get a nice 360 view. And as soon as we're at 400 foot, I'm gonna take a 360 photo. So you can see the London skyline. Such a nice view. It's a nice day in September. It still feels like summer. I'm gonna get some nice shots. So yeah, let's just go up. Let's see what it looks like below. This is literally where I am.
Max altitude
Max
reached.
altitude now that we can go. Stop recording. We're gonna take a 360 photo. We're gonna take a photos after this. We're gonna take a nice photo of London skyline. I like to shoot in manual so I can get more control of my photo. Take a photo of this nice sunset. I'm gonna increase the shutter speed. Really nice photo. Let's bump up the shutter speed just to get more. Alright, let's go back to the video. Let's record. Yeah, let's go the other way because it's hard to see where the sun is facing. So I'm recording in 4K 60 FPS like I always do. Maybe I should put it in 30 FPS because it might look more cinematic. I might do that at the end. I might just put it down to 30 FPS or 24 FPS, whatever. See, look at that. See the Epping Forest area. You can see the planes. Let's see the planes. Look at that. Let's get a backwards shot. You can see the plane in the background. It's kind of nice. Right, let's get a lower down shot. We're gonna face the direction of the sun because I want to get good footage of the cars going by. Look at that, it looks nice. Look at that cinematic video. I've got an ND filter on to make the footage look more cinematic. Oh, this is sick. It's nice. It's so professional, this footage. Look at that. Alright, let's start heading back. You can see what's down there. Alright, let's get a backward shot. That is some insane footage. Alright. Now, let's go the other way. Alright. Let's just get some shots. You know what? I'm gonna put it in 30 FPS and see what that looks like. Yeah, we're gonna do different modes. Yeah, I'm gonna go to 4K, 30 FPS. I'm gonna go fast. Look at that, there's cows over there. It's crazy. Right, I'm gonna put it down to 24 FPS and then get some shots of it backwards. It looks really choppy. We're gonna see how cinematic it looks versus 60 FPS. I'm gonna check how it looks like later in editing. Let's see what's below us. You can see. Alright, we're back now. We're gonna try and get some low down shots. Maybe I might carry on filming in 30 FPS for my next vlogs, because I like 60 FPS because it looks really cool, but it might look more cinematic if I film in lower frame rate. So we're back in 60 FPS now. We can try and get some low down shots of the grass. It's gonna be epic. Alright, so we're gonna come here. See if that looks cool. Alright, we're gonna go low. I'm gonna get some sick shots. We're gonna go in sport mode and get some cool shots. So sick. It's really fast as well. Alright, let's come back. Let's put it in normal mode. Let's go this way. Let's get a shot of this area that I have not been in. Look at that though, it looks really nice on that side. Let's actually go this side. Look at that view. You can see the lake.
Max altitude reached.
Let's see where we're a bit above. We're above this area. Just gonna film. Down here, we're gonna get.
Max altitude reached.
Look at that. Insane shots. Alright, let's start heading back.
Max altitude reached.
Let's get some low down shots of the road. Really professional as well, especially in the sun. Let's get this shot. Alright, where else can we go? Try and get footage of the treetops. Alright, let's get shots of over here, yeah? It's gonna be so sick. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. That is insane, you know that? Alright, let's not go too deep in it. Let's come back. After that, let's go the other way. Let's go to a part where I haven't explored it yet. Just look, there's cows here. Let's get footage of that. Some nice footage. Gonna get a little bit shot of it. My battery's a bit low, so I'm gonna start heading back after this.
Battery level is low.
Reflection shot.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10
That is
seconds.
from the ND filter. Alright, let's just stay local now. Let's get a low down. Let's just get a top down view of the. Look at that. It's really professional, this footage, especially with the ND filter. The ND filter just makes it look more cinematic. And probably look more cinematic in 30 FPS. I'll take a look at the footage in full screen on my PC. Let's just get a quick lowdown shot of this area. Cause I haven't got a lowdown shot of the road yet. Alright, at 17%. Yeah, I don't think no cars are coming. I think we better start turning back. I don't want drone to land there. Alright, we're gonna land it on my case. That's my case right here. It's really trippy looking at the screen because it looks tiny, but it's actually quite big. Alright. Thank you for watching this flight. Really enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more drone videos, and yeah, peace out.